Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. First of all, let me tell you, as we discussed earlier, that these are the drop downs which you can add more, and those drop downs under the heading of monetization, status, manager, priority, and client type will be reflected on these tabs accordingly. So whenever you will make a change in it, next time you will see the changes in the drop downs. So I have added this view in which you will the heading will be static and the client name will also be static if you will scroll on the right side. The managers are being added under the drop downs, and you can select any of those. This color scheme, the color formatting has also been made, and on the priority I've added few priorities like high, low, and high, low, medium, urgent, or need something. And similarly for the client type, I have tried to mention something like weekly, monthly, yearly, or quarterly basis clients. So having said that, I have added another module in it. So what it will do, it will give you a custom menu, which will allow you to do two things. Yeah, that will allow you to do two things. But before that, I'll show you. I have made a copy just to show you that even though if you make a copy of the same file and you are running it for the first time, it will ask you for the authorization. So don't worry about that. I hope that won't be an issue. So let me show you. So here is the thing. Currently we have a December 22 sheet. What I'll do, I'll go to the custom menu and I'll press this button, duplicate this tab. So this will what this will do. This will make another copy of the file, but before that, obviously, it will ask you for the first time for the authorization. So let me quickly. Yep. So this authorization is only for this particular sheet, not for your drive or any other file. Okay. So let me do it one more time. So what this will do, this will create a copy of the tab on which you were earlier, and it will change the name to rename me. You need to make the change Jan 23 maybe. So I added this number in the name of the file so that you can easily recognize which year month is this. Yes, and then obviously if you have made a copy of the file and there will be some data on it and you want to remove this data, so I have added this second thing like clear this month. So what this will do, this will clear the entries on it except the client names. You can let me know if there are some links. Obviously, the channel links and the log sheet will also be the same. So you can let me know which column to be left when we are clearing the tab. Yes, and then the last functionality to add the numbers for the total subscribers, views, and the earnings. So the code has been added for that. And yes, regarding the date part, now you will double click on it and you will get popped up the calendar for the easy selection of the dates. You can change the format of the date as per your requirement. Please let me know if you want to do that. Now let me show you the totals working on it. So we'll be changing one cell one at one time, right? So for example, if I'm adding two subscribers in this, and you will see the subscriber added here. Let me add three views and maybe 50 USD. Once these are here, now if I'll make another change on it, maybe I'll say, okay, there are 10 more subscribers, 50 more views, and another 50 earning. So what this will do, this will add up everything. Yep. Try 100. Let me try another 100 then. Yep. So it's not considering the same value as a value change of value. Let me fix that part and oh, the internet went down. Okay, so I think that it will work, but not for the same value. I'll make sure that this is working for the same value as well. Let me add 99 in here. You can see it's adding, but not if I'll enter the 99 again, it won't consider it as a change in the cell. So similarly for this one, let me add a 4 here, maybe 3 here, and 2 here. Let me change this 4 to 5, which should become 9, and this 3 to maybe another 4, and this 2 to add another one. So you can see it's working. Let me add some values in here, maybe 100 USD. Then